Hello students, I am Ravi Kumar. Come with new skill and today we discuss about learning to type on the keyboard. Everybody is use your computer, keyboard and mouse is the basic input device everybody know. And today we discuss about the only keyboard. How to use your keyboard, and this is very benefit for your professional and educational life. Importance of keyboard skill. In this session, we discuss about the keyboard skill. So why we give very importance? It's show your typing skill on your keyboard. We have the some important point for the typing skill. First one is the speed. Speed is the major and important point for the typing skill. You must be type faster among your competitors and your office. It is very helpful for your work. It's save your time. Next one is accuracy. Accuracy, that means without mistake you type your data on your computer screen. It's only possible when you not see your keyboard, only see on your monitor your finger working on keyboard. Next one is time. You must be prefer or also top priority for the timing. You must be taken small time and make and all enter your many data on your computer. Decrease fatigue. Fatigue, that means stress. A good typing skill, keyboard skill is decrease your fatigue. It's your stage, your physical and mental stage. If your work your fast and or your time or before the time, definitely you are happy and you are also your owner is happy. Health. If your type a normal type, you can see your keyboard, then also see your monitor, and this time your eye is moved two places, keyboard and monitor. This is harmful for your health. So a good keyboard skill is also reduce your disease. Next one is productivity. According to your speed, accuracy, time, your productivity definitely promoted and growth. Okay? So keyboard skill is very important for the professional and educational life. Now so discuss about the types of the key on the keyboard. Dear students, in keyboard have the more than 100 keys. Everybody know now, show on your screen, this is the keyboard. It have also more than 100 keys. Every key have some special functions. They have various name: alphabetical keys, numeric keys, functions keys, arrow keys, modifier keys, space keys, alt, windows. All keys is perform various functions. Like that, enter move your cursor on a new line, delete. In the keyboard have the 26 alphabetical keywords you can see on your screen, and now 10 numeric keys, 4 arrow keys. These arrow keys also help to your cursor move up, down and left and right. Next one is alt, control. They are the modifier key. With the if any other key press with this alt control key, definitely modify his work. 12 function key on your keyboard. Some different keys like the escape. Windows is show your start menus. Escape is close your pop-up windows. It show on your screen. And many more buttons. After the use of the keyboard, you can also very well about the keyboard's buttons. Now time to discuss special terms about the keyboard. First one is home keys. Home keys. Also you see show on your screen. There is the home key highlighted. When you start your typing, your finger is stay or push these buttons. And stay on this button. This is the platform for your first finger touch on your keyboard. Next one is guide key. Guide key, now you're shown on your screen, that is a guide key. This guide key is the maintain your distance, maintain your distance on your long finger, because keyboard have various buttons and you have only 10 fingers, so you can manage with the help of the guide key. Now some basic operation performing on your keyboard. Typing and deleting text. When you press any key, show on your monitor, on your text editor, that is called typing. If any mistake on going on, then you press backspace and delete, that is called deleting the text. Next is typing capital. Typing capital, that means you want to type capital letters like A to Z. So you use the caps lock button on your keyboard. Otherwise you can press your shift key with the other alphabet. This is also show on your capital letters. Also vice versa for the small letter. Typing symbols. We have various symbols like plus, minus, at the rate, percentage, and this type of symbol is available on your below your alpha function key, and also above your alphabet key, and also here with your some modifier keys. So you can use with the shift button and type on your text editor. Typing sentence. So definitely you will not type only one text. You can type the many word, and the many word make a sentence. So many sentence make a new create paragraph, because your information is not possible for the one line, not for the every time. So you are always practice many lines, many paragraph for the practicing keyboard skill and also improve. I hope you improve your keyboard skill. Next one is pointing device, as well as I also know for the starting. Next input device is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. Then in this mouse have no cursor, it have arrow. This arrow is called mouse pointer. Mouse pointer is look like an arrow. This arrow is a point out to any types of this text. You can also help for the selecting your text and or your object on your computer screen. Mouse have various types of operations: click, double click, drag, drop down, move, right click, left click, rolling, and these types of operation also discussed about the on a previous video. You can also see. In keyboard skill, very important your physical appearance and what is the placement of your hardware and whatever requirement for the your typing and data in or data entry. So first we discuss about the sitting posture. You must be sit a comfortable posture, not down to your backbone on the front of your monitor. This is the increase your back pain. So always the flat and straight your backbone, and also take support to your chairs. Next one is positions of hands. You must be correct position of your hand, and it's very important for your finger must be move smoothly and correctly on your keyboard. Next one is monitor placement. Your monitor must be placed on your eyes 90 degree, not below and not above. If below your neck or above, your neck pain must be occur. So maintain your monitor height. Next one is mouse and keyboard placement. If you are right-handed, your mouse and keyboard is placed to your right hand side with the together. And if you are left-handed, your mouse and keyboard left side. Chair and table. Chair and table is very important, because chair is for the you, it's comfortable for the your sitting, and chair for the maintaining your computer monitor height. So you must be choose your chair comfortable tables. Placement of typing matter. Whatever matter, whatever your matter given by your companies, your teacher must be measure is front of your monitor. You just see the meter and type on keyboard. If you try to more time on your keyboard, you must become a good typing skill. Positioning of finger on the keyboard. Keyboard is play on the finger, so you must be place correct position of your finger on keyboards position on show on your screen. These types of your put your finger on keyboard's keys. Time to some exercise questions. I hope you enjoy the keyboard skill and also practice for the your keyboard skills. Solve some questions. Thank you for watching.